Good morning, everybody. This is our last day here in La Fortuna, California. Costa Rica, not California. Anyway, we're gonna hang out here at our Volcano Lodge Resort today. Maybe find something interesting for dinner tonight. But other than that, we're just gonna relax here. I don't know if you can see the volcano right there. It's clear as day. Clear as day. Right about there. Am I pointing at it?
Yep, right up in there.
Right in there.
It's a very bright day.
Very bright day, but I'll insert some shots. Look at that. Anyway, we're gonna hang by the pool here. It's really sunny. Sunniest, hottest day yet of our whole week here. We're probably gonna get burnt up, but we're gonna get some relaxation in for a long travel day tomorrow.
There she is.
Okay.
There she is.
To the pool and the hot springs. We already ate breakfast.
Oh, too much.
Totally full.
We overdid it.
Well, and if you come here to Volcano Lodge, these are the hot springs up by the pool. Super hot. They go from hottest on top, and then that water filters down lower, and the lower it goes, it kind of cools off on its own as it goes. We tried to get in this top level here a couple times, and it feels like it's scalding your feet, so you can only get like a couple steps in, and it hurts. So we'd go down there and get into that level. It's really relaxing. Beautiful plant life and all around here. Crazy looking stuff that we don't see back home.
I wish we had a garden like this.
Yeah.
A lot of the chairs are taken, y'all. This is the best weather yet.
It's the sunniest day yet. We haven't been this lowest level, but no need to, because that middle one's perfect.
All right, let's see. We could always get here and then go get some chairs to have a shade spot to come to.
Yeah.
There's two on side over there.
Cool. Got a place for the kids. I think we showed you all this stuff already. Little kiddie pool here. The main pool down here. And that's where we ate breakfast and dinner and desserts a couple times. I think we're gonna go over here and steal these couple chairs. Aaron's claimed those two chairs for us. Right by the volcano there. You can see it better from over here. Clear as day. Let's take you around here real quick. Get a shot from that side of our setup. Down there is where the other thermal pools are. It's really nice down there. We'll make it down there later today. Here's a nice shot of the pool area in the volcano. Aaron's right over here. Alright, I do have an ice machine here. I brought a Coke in my thermo something. What are these called? Hydro jugs. There's a sticker on this one. That's one I just put on while here. Let's get some ice. Showers, if you need them. What the heck? Let's go down there and show you. Let's go get Aaron and go down there later. There's one little hot tub back here. Nobody's ever in this one. It's kind of off the beaten path a little bit. There's some chairs and all back here. You gotta come back here and hide. Anyway, it's a great place, y'all. We hate to leave tomorrow. Trash cans. Yeah.
Put your backpack down.
Okay. Make it? Wow.
It's cold, y'all. It gets better once you dunk. I don't want to leave.
Chilly out, y'all.
Today's the day we're gonna see the little monkeys. We're here, we hear them, but we don't see them. Not right now.
I know you all want to hear what a howler monkey sounds like, so here you go. Cue the howler monkey.
Scary.
That's a scary sound, huh?
Yes, I don't want to be alone with one of those puppies.
Yeah. What's the name of that volcano? Arenal? Arenal Volcano. You guys are probably sick of seeing it. In person, you can never get sick of it, though. It's just beautiful and crazy looking.
We're not sick
Just
of
like
it.
things like you'd think of what volcano should look like. It's like the perfect volcano. There she is. How was the pool?
Oh, so good.
Yeah.
After a while.
Now we got the sun. Oh, she got her Costa Maya hat on.
It's my favorite one. It's comfortable.
Nice. Matches your swimming suit a bit.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
I want everything else but my face is peeling from the first day.
Yeah.
Looks okay.
Yeah, that's good.
I need some sun on my legs. Not in the sun.
I might have to scoot up a little bit.
But I think it's coming
I'm
now.
in the shade. I might need to get in the sun some more.
But you're half in the sun.
Yeah.
They made somebody move their chair back the other day
Yeah.
when they drug it out.
Oh, because there's not enough walking room?
I don't know.
Probably.
Yeah, you got to keep everything clear. So we could switch seats if you want more sun.
Good. We'll be getting plenty of sun at our own pool at home.
It's
soon.
ready for us.
Yeah, it's ready to go. I don't know if you've all even seen it.
We haven't filmed us in it or anything.
Nope. Oh, that's where we just started filming again.
Yeah.
All right.
So you'll be seeing more of that.
All right. Time to relax. Erin getting some sun on her buns.
I just want my legs. Don't show my buns.
There's the buns. Huh?